Imagine a life where financial worries don't exist. Picture waking up every day knowing that your money is working for you, quietly growing and steadily multiplying without you having to do anything. That's not a fantasy. It's achievable with the right approach to investing. And one of the most powerful ways to do this is through a systematic investment plan, or SIP. SIPs aren't just for seasoned investors. They're for anyone, whether you're new to investing or have been dabbling for years. What if I told you that you don't need a huge sum of money to get started? No matter where you are financially right now, you can begin building wealth, real, sustainable wealth, one step at a time. It's about taking control of your future, your family's future, and breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck grind. You're not here to just get by, you're here to thrive. SIPs offer you the opportunity to do just that. Now, let's dive deeper. SIP is simple. Instead of waiting to save a big chunk of cash, you invest small amounts regularly. Think about it. Just $100, $300, or $500 a month. You might spend that on dining out or small luxuries. But what if you turned that into an investment? That $300 a month can grow into a substantial amount over time, all thanks to the magic of compounding. Let's break it down. Imagine putting in $500 every month. Now, instead of your money sitting in a savings account earning next to nothing, that same amount is being invested into the stock market through mutual funds. In just 10 years, with consistent investing and the average returns of the market, that $500 could turn into $95,000. And if you stick with it for 20 years, that grows into more than $300,000. Think about the freedom that gives you. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a solid, proven strategy used by millions of people to secure their future. You're not leaving your fate to chance or guessing the next hot stock. SIPs remove the emotion from investing. You're not trying to time the market, waiting for the perfect moment to invest. You're investing steadily, consistently, no matter what the market is doing. Remember, when the market drops, that's when you buy more for less. It's like a sale. And when the market rises, your money grows even faster. SIP helps you take advantage of both highs and lows without having to think about it. It's not just about accumulating wealth, it's about building a future, a legacy. Imagine what that $300,000 could mean for you 20 years from now, for your children, for your retirement. It's not just money, it's security, it's peace of mind, it's freedom from worrying about how you'll afford your life in the future. Now, let's talk about what's stopping you. Maybe it's fear. Maybe you think investing is too complicated or risky. You see the markets rise and fall and it feels like gambling, right? But here's the thing. SIPs take that fear and throw it out the window. It's designed to make investing simple and stress-free. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to know what's going to happen in the market tomorrow. All you need is discipline. The discipline to invest every month no matter what. You can start today. The important thing is to start. Don't wait for the perfect time, because there's never a perfect time. The market will always go up and down, but your money will always grow if you give it time. SIPs are a long-term game, and the earlier you start, the better. You have to ask yourself, what kind of future do you want? Do you want to rely on just a paycheck? Or do you want financial independence, where your money works for you? SIP is your ticket to that independence. Every single dollar you invest today will work for you tomorrow, compounding, multiplying, growing. So, here's the challenge. Commit to your future. Commit to investing in yourself, in your dreams, in your goals. No matter where you are right now financially, there's always a way forward. The key is to start and stay consistent. The power of SIPs is not in how much you invest, but how regularly you do it. Think about it like this. You're planting seeds. Each dollar is a seed. In the beginning, it may not seem like much, but with time, those seeds grow into something huge, something that can sustain you for the rest of your life. SIPs are like a garden of wealth, one that needs your attention and care, but will yield fruits beyond your imagination. So today, make the decision to take control of your financial future. Decide that you're not just going to sit and hope for a better future, you're going to build it. Dollar by dollar, month by month, and in 10, 20, 30 years, you'll look back and be amazed at how far you've come. The path to financial freedom is right in front of you. All you have to do is start walking. Let SIPS guide your way, and you'll discover that building wealth is not as hard as it seems. It's just about making smart choices, staying disciplined, and letting your money work for you. You've got this. Now go take that first step. You've heard the journey. Now it's time to make it yours. Take control of your financial future today. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you found value in this video and you're ready to start your investment journey, hit the subscribe button and join a community committed to financial freedom. Share this video with anyone who needs to hear this message. And remember, the best time to plant that seed is now. Start your SIP, invest in your future, and take the first step towards the life you deserve.